Hi Liliana, it's your mom again. Only 9 days until we get to meet you and we are so excited. For today's video I wanted to tell you a little story that's close to my heart and that always comes to mind when I think about how much a mother can love her child. When I was probably like 10 or 11 and I was watching one of the old Spider-Man movies, the Green Goblin, or whoever that villain was, gave Peter Parker a choice between saving the love of his life and a bus full of children. And I was thinking about this like really heavy prospect and choosing between lives and you know, whose lives are more important than others. And I started to think, what if it was between yourself and someone else? I mean, yeah, it's easy enough in movies where everything's fluffy and it's happily ever after, and if you die, you come back to life. But in real life, in a real life situation, if it was between yourself and your child, like giving them an organ that would mean that you no longer got to live, or, you know, jumping in front of a bullet for them, or pulling them out of the way of a bus, my 10-year-old mind was just running over all of these really deep existential possibilities. And it started to really bother me. So I went to the laundry room where your mama, my mother, was doing laundry, and I said, "Ma, you know in movies where you see the main characters sacrifice themselves for someone else?" She goes, "Yeah." I said, "Well, that wouldn't happen in real life, right? I mean, if you had to choose between your life and mine, whose would you choose?" And without a single hesitation, your mama said, "Well, yours, of course." And I kind of brushed it off, and I was like, "No, but really, Ma, like, not just theoretically or, you know, what you think you would do. Like, in the moment, wouldn't survival instinct just, like, take over and you would just want to self-preserve?" I didn't want the answer that she thought I wanted to hear. I wanted the true answer. And she said, "No, I would save you." And I said, "Well, Ma, I won't get mad if you say that you would save yourself. I want to know the truth. I want to know what it's like." And she said, "I would save you." And I said, "Why? Like, no offense, but why? You can always have more kids." She said, "Well, I figure you still have your whole life ahead of you, and I've lived long enough to see 2 beautiful children growing up. I've done enough in my lifetime. I've reached adulthood, and honestly, if it was between me and my child, it's way more important for me to leave behind my child than to live to see 100 years old." I said, "I don't know, Ma. That doesn't really seem right. I don't really understand." And she said, "Well, you'll understand when you have kids of your own. And now that I have your sisters, and now that I'm expecting you," she could not have been more right about that situation. In a heartbeat, I would jump in front of that bus. I would take that bullet. I would give you that organ. I don't even care. And that might seem a little extreme and a little far-fetched to you now, but you'll understand when you have kids of your own. Can't wait to meet you, Liliana.